Look at a modern automated factory floor. You have hundreds of high-speed robotics, variable frequency drives, and sensor arrays executing thousands of operations per minute. But despite occupying the same physical space and working on the exact same assembly line, these devices are built by competing manufacturers. Natively, they speak entirely different digital languages. A Siemens controller cannot inherently understand the data output of a Mitsubishi drive. To make them cooperate, engineers use industrial communication protocols. These are strict, standardized rule sets that act as universal translators, forcing disparate hardware to exchange data accurately. The demands placed on these protocols vary depending on where they operate. On the factory floor, a protocol must govern physical movements down to the microsecond. Up at the enterprise level, a protocol must securely package that telemetry for global cloud servers. We are going to engineer a complete industrial data pipeline from the ground up. We will map the evolution of these networks, from physical voltages switching on bare metal all the way to cloud-based AI models. Understanding this communication hierarchy is the requirement for integrating physical operational technology with digital information technology. Here at the bedrock of the automation hierarchy, a single sensor, VFD, and PLC connect via standard RS-232 or RS-485 serial links. Modbus RTU pushes data across these lines for direct device communication, while PROFIBUS DP links dense clusters of sensors and valves. With legacy analog instrumentation, the HART protocol layers digital diagnostic data directly on top of a standard 4 to 20 milliamp signal, extracting telemetry without disrupting baseline voltage. These serial networks face physical constraints. They operate with narrow bandwidth, slow transmission speeds, and strict distance limits. While serial communication provides a durable foundation, its point-to-point architecture cannot process the massive volume of data required to run a fully integrated smart factory. To bypass serial bottlenecks, engineers route data through high-speed EtherNet star and ring configurations. High-speed control relies on determinism. While standard IT networks drop packets under congestion, industrial Ethernet provides a strictly predictable microsecond window for every data transmission. Standard industrial Ethernet protocols are largely dictated by vendor ecosystems. You have the universal Modbus TCP, Siemens systems rely on PROFINET, and Allen Bradley operates on Ethernet IP. Then there is EtherCAT. Instead of processing packets individually at each node, EtherCAT reads and writes data on the fly as the frame passes through, stripping away overhead processing time. This microsecond determinism makes EtherCAT a standard for controlling synchronized multi-axis robotics, where even a single millisecond of latency disrupts physical alignment. At the control layer, selecting a protocol optimizes speed and delivery. Precise timing prevents physical collisions between heavy machines. The Industry 4.0 challenge is extracting data from isolated PLCs into centralized SCADA and cloud systems without exposing hardware to cyber threats. OPC UA serves as the universal translator, standardizing disparate hardware formats into a single secure data model for SCADA systems. To push aggregated data to the internet, engineers rely on MQTT. It uses a publish-subscribe architecture, where devices publish lightweight payloads to a central broker. This broker then distributes the data to any authenticated subscribing cloud dashboard, ensuring highly efficient telemetry. Moving from the factory floor to the enterprise level swaps microsecond determinism for payload flexibility, platform independence, and cybersecurity. This matrix shows protocol trade-offs. Systems integrators evaluate speed, distance, determinism, and application. Comparing the serial limitations of Modbus RTU against the Ethernet capabilities of PROFINET reveals the massive leap in bandwidth and deterministic guarantees required for advanced control. EtherCAT ranks highest in the speed and determinism columns, marking its localized field role. Conversely, OPC UA and MQTT register lower on determinism, but lead the distance column, enabling secure integration across multiple global platforms. Protocol selection is an optimization problem, where engineers carefully balance the specific constraints of speed, distance, and security across layers. This diagram shows the complete end-to-end communication architecture. A physical voltage change at a field sensor flows through the hierarchy and triggers a global cloud update in milliseconds. A fully operational smart factory does not rely on a single standard. It orchestrates a synchronized symphony of Modbus, PROFINET, OPC UA, and MQTT simultaneously across multiple tiers. Emerging technologies like digital twins, AI-integrated edge computing, and 5G industrial networks rely on the structural integrity of this communication backbone. Predictive maintenance AI models cannot function without the high-fidelity, high-speed data flow guaranteed by this exact multi-layered integration. The ability to architect these data pipelines is the core technical requirement for engineers working at the intersection of hardware and cloud analytics. Architecting these complex, multi-protocol environments requires specialized implementation partners. DEVI Automation Solutions are experts in engineering end-to-end industrial infrastructures. They provide solutions in PLC and HMI programming, SCADA architecture, variable frequency drives, and urging legacy mechanical systems to AI and IIoT platforms. Their expertise scales from industrial manufacturing networks to localized smart agriculture deployments, delivering technology solutions across multiple sectors. Contact DEVI Automation Solutions at deviautomationsolutions.com for professional engineering consultations. If you found this technical breakdown useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more detailed analysis of automation technologies.